Stop buying useless kitchen gadgets that just clutter up your drawers. As your savvy tech advisor, I found 5 pro-grade tools on Amazon under $20 that actual chefs use every single day. First, the Instant Truth Teller. Stop cutting your chicken open to check if it's done. You're letting all the juice out. This $14 digital thermometer tells you the exact internal temp in 2 seconds. It's the secret to perfect steak every single time. Second, the chef's squeeze bottle. Forget those fancy oil sprayers. They clog after a month. Do what the pros do. Put your olive oil in these $9 squeeze bottles. You get perfect drizzle control for salads or roasting without the mess. Third, the bone cutter. Most kitchen scissors are trash that get gross in the hinge. These heavy-duty shears separate completely for easy cleaning, and they are sharp enough to cut right through chicken bones and pizza crusts. Fourth, the non-stick cheat code. Stop buying aluminium foil. These silicone mats are reusable forever. Cookies, roasted veggies, melted cheese, literally nothing sticks to them, and you just wipe them clean. And fifth, the magic wand. It's called a microplane. Stop chopping garlic into big chunks. This tool turns garlic, ginger, and Parmesan cheese into snow instantly. It is the single biggest upgrade for your pasta nights. I've linked these 5 actual upgrades in the description below.